Components such as this are failing in the field every day, and some clients just don't know why. Let's go and find out if ZEISS can help. So I've arrived at ZEISS Rugby and I've been welcomed by Matt Wire. Now, I've been discussing this component with him and some of the potential features that could be causing the failures.
ZEISS are known predominantly for accuracy with minimal uncertainty, but actually what we offer from here is measurement services as well. And I think we've got a variety of machinery from all around the world that we've brought all into one place here at our Rugby facility. And what we can do, and what I genuinely believe we can get for you today, is we can look at our CMM, at our Metrotom and our SEM to try and give you a real good overview of what is happening with this part.
So Dan behind me now is just finishing off programming the Duramax CMM to check for the geometrical and dimensional tolerances. So why are you moving the component now from the CMM to the CT scanner?
Yeah, so the CT scanner gives us different options. So it's a different technology and we're able to turn the parts around far faster. So we actually run 2 shifts on a CT scanner. So we have the ability to put this part through and turn it around within 24 to 48 hours. We're able to do reverse engineering as well as CAD comparisons, and we can still do dimensional analysis using the CT scanners.
And final results?
So the final results are essentially a colour map of the component and then whatever specification you've asked for from the drawing. So on the screen behind me, we can see a little bit more in depth about what the CT has to offer.
So now that the component's been fully inspected on the CT scanner, you can see the final results with the GOM-Inspect software. Now, the colours illustrating the comparisons between the component and the CAD model.
On the SEM we can confirm any cracks that have been picked up on the CT and check any surface defects, but we can also check the elemental composition. So here we can see that it's composed of aluminium, but we've also got areas of iron and manganese.
It's safe to say that this component is one of the most thoroughly inspected components that I have ever seen. Now, the data that we've gathered can be used to improve your manufacturing process.